Hey everyone! It's finally here, the brand new Poco F7 Pro. If you're as excited as I am, stick around because we're about to unbox this beast together and check out what's inside. Let's get started. The moment we've been waiting for. Lifting the lid, we're greeted with the Poco F7 Pro itself wrapped in protective film. Underneath, we've got 90-watt charger and USB-C cable, no compromises here. Clear TPU case, nice freebie for protection. SIM ejector tool, warranty and quick start guide. First impressions? This phone feels premium. The matte glass back has a subtle gradient finish that catches light beautifully. It's slim, lightweight, and the flat edges give it a modern look. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.